Iya, nah itu masuk dengan organisasi kapiti napapuno lugar sa municipal sa schools waktu sa pagiging paros sa schools maintenance. Kailangan pumasok ito. I would like to thank everyone who attended our evening service this evening. Before I will mention a few words, I'd like to convey my respect to our Heavenly Mother, respect our new guest, Vice President of United Church of Christ, Reverend David. I honored to Senior Pastor Ipay, wife, Senior Pastor of Time, wife, all the reverends, all the deacons, all the lay ministers, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's appropriate that we begin our late dinner this evening. So, further ado, I would like to ask our reverend from Ipay to say grace before we partake God's gift for us to see.
Give. Let us pray. Kamulokan kawadini. Ilong mo, video namin ang kanilala kanyo. Karang ito, kakran video naman kilam. Kaya workshop naman iklitaw. Akayin nila. Siguro, ang nila doon, sa tuloy doon, tawaran din pa dyan. Kamulokan naman ang kawadini. Wala kita table itu menjadi sesuatu yang kegeramani, kegeramani itu menjadi elok kata, penjual kegeramani, rela keboju, jualan, dan penjual menerima jual, dan itu penjualan cepat, jadi kalau buat itu karok kebetulan ramai dan kemarin, ini orang cepat. Sekarang yang dikerama dan pada video lagi kejuan itu cok, itu baik ini kita tomorrow, amin.
Kailangan, thank you very much, Reverend Gustavo. I would like to ask the ladies to please interrupt the food so we can start our presentation. It's already been late. Last time, remember our time that we started our dinner? It's almost 1 o'clock. There was a lady from Magdalene when they went to Guam. Her group were sitting at the table one morning, and this lady got up and he asked all the members of the group if she would give a speech. Surprisingly, instead of presenting a speech, she expressed her surprise that day because she mentioned that every day that they were involved, all she does or did, she woke up and did lunch on no purpose. So she always get up at 10 o'clock. I believe what we would take for party today this evening is our last dinner together. So please unwrap the food to eat by serving the ladies first. Wipe up the plate. We start the night after all the ladies are free. Then
Ganda.
gentlemen go up there. Because I would miss the ladies. They taught me how to what they were Zumba or Cha-Cha. So what you have taught me, I will next week first day. Gentlemen, please forgive me. Now, okay, let's begin the table. And I would like to ask all the members of the UCCPC. Now, you see all your. We will include some numbers